In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Minecraft game app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get your Minecraft game app, go to Play Store and then from Play Store search using the search bar, or you can search using this icon here if you can't see this search bar. So if you tap on it, now you have an option to search for your app by typing in the name. So I'll go ahead and tap on search and you can see we have Minecraft here. Also, if you scroll down, you can see we have quite a number of Minecraft games such as education, and we also have education preview. So go ahead and tap on the one that you wish, and you can see it should be from Mojang. And at the time of recording this, for Minecraft education, it has a star rating of 3.7 from 83,000 reviews with over 10 million downloads. So to get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Minecraft and install it on your Android smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you'll have Minecraft on your phone. You can proceed and tap on open to launch the app, or if you go to your apps, you should be able to see Minecraft here. So that's how you can install Minecraft on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.